Hey guys, the last time we talked I was talking about doing daily vlogs for 40 days. Apparently my situation right now, it changes from time to time. So today I'm so busy. I'm trying to organize school because I'm going to school, and at the same time it's so dark. At the same time I'm getting stressed out with everything I'm doing right now. So yeah, most likely I won't be doing it daily. I might postpone it a bit, but I'm not giving up on it. And yeah, so it's been quite an interesting time in my life these days. But interesting is good. I'll be having more time to study and to vlog, because I don't know, I'm a bit scared, but I'm a bit excited also. So I'm taking up Masters of Information Technology, and we'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. I need all your help, guys. Anyway, I'm in the car right now, heading out. Yeah. So yeah, weather's been awfully bad lately. Like, it's been very cold today. I had to be off work for a bit today, because I need to work on my papers. I'm gonna spend a lot of money and it's shit, but we'll make something out of it, but also make something nice out of it. And yeah, that's it. I'm really nervous, but I'm also excited. I don't know if this is gonna be up in the vlog. I'm just telling you what I feel right now. I'm a bit down also because I've been very stressed out. I need a break, but rest is for the weak. So yeah, I might get a bit of rest, but most of it will be a bit of work, and I need to finish a lot of things also. So I'm just taking this car now because I might be using it later. I might be transporting stuff. And yeah, fucking vlog 40 days straight, right? Yeah, just so stressful over the past few days. Anyway, I need to go bring the car home and deliver some stuff, so maybe later I'll see how it goes. Okay, home now. I don't know what to do. I need to do a lot of things. Just getting to the house right now. Okay, while I'm here, this guy over there. We're here at the Knox Festival and we don't know, we're just looking for food right now. Yeah, and I don't know what my settings are, but yeah. So it's a lot of games you can play. You can ride that one there, but I don't know. We'll see. So there's a lot of games around here. So some games up there, and I think my camera's blown out. Okay. So this. You want some cotton candy? Yeah. It's a lot of food, barbecue, and cones. Yeah, let's look for food now. One falafel, waffle. Let's try this kangaroo wrap. Let's see how it goes. Okay, let's try this kangaroo wrap. So yeah, this is the kangaroo wrap. How was it? Yes! We're still looking for other food. Because whenever we go to things like these, we always start with the food. Yeah. Yeah. This place is full of the things you love. Knox Festival. So that's it. We've finished eating. We're gonna go home now. That's what we're after, only eating. Okay, we're heading out now. And here we go. So nakakaon yung kangaroo for the first time after pila ka years diri. First time na kangaroo eh.
Yeah, we ate like kangaroo pizza.
No way!
It was good.
In English, I've just tasted the kangaroo wrap and it's langsi. I don't know what's the English of langsi. But yeah! It still tastes good. Let's drink boost. Park like a boss. Yeah.
It's the best car ever.
Park like a boss. Parking like a boss. Yeah, like a boss.